Wolmer's Boys is represented by Cameron Campbell, Javon Patterson, Tyler Davis, and TVJ Williams. Oberlin High is represented by Simon Barrett, Jody Ann Jones, Alicia Labar, and Monifa Jifunza. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone, welcome to round one of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2025. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and Oberlin High won. They decided to go first. So we begin with Oberlin High. And this section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Oberlin, we begin with biology. Which part of the body sits under the lungs and separates the chest cavity from the abdomen?
Diaphragm.
Diaphragm.
Correct. Wolmer's Boys Biology named the region of the brain which is mainly responsible for keeping the human body in a stable state called homeostasis.
Hypothalamus.
Hypothalamus.
Correct. International Affairs, a visual one. Oberlin, look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Lithuania.
Incorrect. Mauritius. And International Affairs for Wolmer's Boys. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Ireland or Ivory Coast.
Ireland.
Incorrect. Ivory Coast. English language for Oberlin. Which or what part of speech is the word like as used in the sentence? They discussed books like 1984 and Animal Farm.
Adjective. Adjective.
Incorrect. It's a preposition. English language, Wolmer's Boys. What part of speech is the word like as used in this sentence? It was like 8 feet deep in the ocean.
Like 8 feet deep in the ocean. Adverb. Adverb.
Adverb.
Correct. General knowledge for Oberlin. There are 2 official languages of Pakistan. One is Urdu. What is the other?
Hindi.
Incorrect. English. And general knowledge for Wolmer's Boys. There are 2 official languages of Scotland. One is English. What is the other?
Gaelic.
Yes, we'll accept. Music. Oberlin, listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
Lou Rawls.
Correct. Music for Wolmer's Boys. Listen to the clip. Give the title of the song.
My brain, it's starting to hit me. Now you're not with me. I realize I'm
Give me some. This is why I love you. This is why I love you.
Incorrect. This time. Geography for Oberlin. Which country has the longest boundary with India?
Canada.
Incorrect. Bangladesh. Geography for Wolmer's Boys. Which country has the longest border with France?
Brazil.
Correct. Oberlin, Theatre and Cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Luke Newton.
Incorrect. Jeremy Strong. Theatre and Cinema. Wolmer's Boys. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Jack Lemmon.
Incorrect. Guy Pearce. Chemistry for Oberlin. Name of the main chemical process used in industry to extract alumina from bauxite.
Process.
I believe the Question passes to Wolmer's boys.
Bare process.
That is correct. Chemistry for Wolmer's boys. Which metal is used as a reducing agent to obtain iron from iron oxide in the thermite process?
Aluminium.
Correct. Sports, Oberlin. And that's it. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Wolmer's boys on 6 and Oberlin High on 2. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.